If your Android phone feels slow or laggy, these hidden settings can improve speed and performance. By reducing animations, limiting background apps, and clearing cache files, you can make your device smoother, faster, and more responsive in just a few minutes. The first step is to unlock developer options. Open the Settings app on your Android phone and scroll down to About Phone. Depending on your device brand, you may need to open Software Information first. Locate the build number option and tap it 7 times continuously. Your phone may ask for your lock screen password or PIN for security verification. After successful verification, you will see a message saying, "You are now a developer." This hidden menu gives access to advanced system settings designed for performance tuning and debugging. Next, return to the main settings menu and open Developer Options. Scroll down until you find the Drawing section. Here you will see 3 animation settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. By default, these values are usually set to 1. Reducing them to 0.5x makes the phone feel much faster because system animations complete more quickly. For maximum speed and responsiveness, you can also turn these animation settings completely off. Disabling animations does not increase processor power, but it creates a smoother and faster user experience by reducing visual delays. Another important optimization is limiting background processes. Inside Developer Options, scroll to the App section and locate Background Process Limit. Change it from Standard Limit to at most 4 processes. This reduces the number of apps running in the background, which helps free RAM and improves multitasking performance, especially on older or low memory devices. However, limiting too many processes may delay notifications for some apps, so moderate settings are recommended. Finally, clear unnecessary app cache files. Go back to the main settings menu and open Apps or Applications. Select large or frequently used apps such as social media, browsers, or streaming apps. Open the Storage section and tap Clear Cache. Cached files accumulate over time and may slow down performance or consume storage space. Repeat this process for multiple heavy apps to maximize results. After completing all these steps, restart your phone. The system will refresh background services and apply the new performance settings properly. In most cases, users notice smoother navigation, faster app launching, reduced lag, and better overall responsiveness immediately after rebooting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and hidden tech tricks.